Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel and to another Planner Monday. I'm going to do this one kind of, I think, quick and dirty, as if I didn't already do everything by the seat of my pants. But reason being, you guys, if you've been watching my channel at all the last few days, last couple of days, you know that I have been at Creativation 2022 in Orlando. I live here, so I've been driving back and forth, and it's been awesome, and I'm a little bit tired. I did go back and fill in what I remembered from this week. Of course, my brain is all a jumble. And the videos that I put up this week, of course, I put them on the wrong days, but whatever. I just drew a line to where I needed to go. So we did a video on Monday. I did plan on writing more in my planner, by the way, this week. So the first day, I actually wrote small because I planned on doing more. Anyway, Monday we did a plan with me where I made this gorgeous layout. I do really like this this layout, the way that this one is done, with the center strip being where you write. I absolutely am loving this. Then we did our planner Q&A with Miss Elizabeth on Tuesday night. Wednesday night I showed a video doing, I basically pulled the live stream from last Friday, a week ago Friday on the 1st, where I did that watering can for Spellbinders, the Amazing Paper Grace card, and I had created the watering can part, so I condensed it down to make it quicker and easier to follow in a separate video, and then added on all the flowers and decoration for that one, so it's a complete card now. On Thursday, I think it was Thursday, I did the I Dance and We Dance cards with the dancing guys, and those are the stamps, those are the dies. Yes, those are the dies we're going to be using in the class that's next Saturday. So if you haven't already signed up for the class, be sure to do that, okay? On Friday, I did the card. It was a birthday card with lots of little gifts, and that was using the die of the month. I actually did a couple of cards. And then on Saturday, there was another, it was the clear Stampin' die, using basically the same kind of a design, but it was a little bit smaller, and it had the stamp that went with it, and I think that turned out pretty good too. You guys seem to love them, so that's what counts, right guys? As for my coffee, Mr. Coffee issue, the coffee maker is dead. We did try to get it fixed, or Todd tried to fix it, and it looks like it's probably one of the electrical components in there, so that's neither here nor there. He does have an older espresso machine, like an espresso cappuccino machine, and I've been using that, meaning I am highly caffeinated right now. So here is my blank clear spread for this week, and I am going to do the same kind of thing that I did last week, and I'm going to use some ephemera. Now this ephemera is from the January 2022 kit of the card kit of the month, which I told you guys I still have plenty. I haven't even looked back through this. I've got it bagged up, but I decided, you know, I'm going to use the same kind of layout and start putting some stuff together. So I'm going to just play some music here, and this part is going to be kind of just sped up so that you guys can see how everything went together, and then we can talk about what I think is going to be coming up this next week. Okay, so I gathered up a bunch of the different ephemera and laid out kind of what I think would look pretty, and now I'm just going to use some Tombow mono glue stick on the back of my ephemera, just like I did last week. And I'm going to be adding those down to my planner. So I'm pretty much just creating some little stickers using this glue and some ephemera. And I'm kind of trying to keep everything kind of balanced. This is very, very pastel-y, and that's kind of what the look was in January, because January was mostly focused on love and Valentine's Day. That's kind of the way that the kits work. They look about a month ahead and want to be all nice and pretty for what you've got coming up. So you've got plenty of time to get your cards and stuff made. And I need to put a little bit more glue under that. Okay, let's go with that. And these butterflies I think are very pretty. One of the issues I've told you guys that I've always had with using ephemera is that I'm always afraid I'm going to use it all up. When you are getting the club kit of the month, you are getting, when you're getting the card kit of the month, on any given month, you're getting all of the goodies. And if you're on the monthly plan, you know, the subscription plan, that means you're getting this stuff every single month. And if you don't use them for one of your cards, why not use them in your planner? I figured that is a very good use of them. And I noticed something this past week when I looked at the website, that a lot of times they have got where you can get the same ephemera later. Now I think this one, the one for January, I believe the ephemera for this one is available on the website. I will double check with the Spellbinder site for you guys and to confirm that. And if it is available, I will leave a link down below for you. Which means if you like this ephemera, you can probably still get it. I noticed that there were some like Christmas ones and just lots of different ephemera packs, and ephemera does make it quick and easy to put some cards together, which is one of the things I have planned for later in the week. It would really help if I would probably stop talking and start crafting so I can actually get the glue where I want it to go. But what I'm basically creating is another kind of like mini scenes. I like the little doggies, and I thought they would be really cute together, and the butterflies I thought worked really well together. I did try just putting one of each, and it just didn't work for me. So this is kind of the layout that I'm going with this time. And I do want to say thank you to everybody who was checking out the live streams yesterday, Saturday, Sunday. My days are all kind of crumbled together. Right now, while I'm recording this, it is a Sunday night around 7:30 p.m. and I just got home a little while ago, and I've already said hello and stuff on Live with Monica. But I have been at Creativation all day, and I was at Creativation all day yesterday. On Friday was the first day. And yeah, I'm going ahead and starting with this so that it doesn't take too terribly long for the entire thing. And I know you guys are probably a little bit interested in that. But on Friday, on the first day, on day one, I'll just do it that way. On day one, I thought I was supposed to be meeting up with some folks. Here's a note to myself and to you guys. If you decide you're going to do something like this, and hook up with a company that you're working with, be sure to check with them and find out when and where they want to meet you, because I don't think the folks at Spellbinders really knew when I was going to be there, and I never asked them. I just knew I was planning on being there to help, so I figured that everybody would be there, but I never checked to find out when anybody's flights were or anything like that. So what I think happened on Friday is, first I got there a little bit late. But when I got there, I don't think they were there yet because I don't think that their flights had actually gotten there. I do know that Mark, who was the guy that put everything together for the show, which is awesome, he was a super sweet guy, but I know that his flight got majorly delayed. So I think he didn't actually get in until late Friday night. So, and then he had to get up early to make it to the show to set up and all that stuff. So they were running a little bit behind, which means I'm really glad that I was able to be there to kind of help out a little bit since they were a little bit behind. But I think that just has to do with flights, and you never know. And it would have been a better plan on my end if I knew when their flights were and I told them when I was available, which I did not do. That is on me. So next time, I know, right? Okay, so this one is finishing up this layout. I was thinking about adding some quote stickers, but I've already got a couple of quotes, so I think this is going to be perfectly fine just the way it is. I'm planning on doing my fitness planner basically the same kind of way. So right now we've got Planner Monday. We've got a live stream tomorrow, and tomorrow, that's another thing. We've got live stream on Monday, which is when this one is coming out. My jury duty was supposed to start on the 11th, and when I just checked it, it says it doesn't start until the 12th, which means I'm going to double check it in the morning, but it looks like I don't have to go to jury duty on Monday, which means I get to go back down to the convention center to do Creativation one more day and get to meet the people that I missed. I know I was wanting to meet up at some point and say hello in person with Ashley with Artistry. I did see a couple of other people with Artistry, and you guys got to see the videos with that, and the paint is fantastic. But I did want to at least say hi to Ashley because she's been my contact over there, and she's local, and at some point I want to go down and check out their whole setup. Just haven't had the time and everything to do that. But that's one of my goals for Monday, okay? Tuesday I am supposed to have jury duty. We also have got 2 guests. If I remember right, jury duty usually lasts up to 4 p.m. period, which means that should give me plenty of time to get back here, get set up, and get the live going. I will be in contact with both Val's and Crystal so that they know exactly what's going on, so that we're all set. But we're supposed to have Crystal Wyckoff and Val's Art Lounge are both going to be on my channel as guests, so that is super awesome. And I'm going to wait until tomorrow to say what we're going to be playing with. They may have changed their minds, but I think I've got a little bit of an idea, and it's going to be super fun. And again, if you want to be on my channel, please be sure to there should be a link down below. I'm going to have to double check that, but be sure to let me know that you're wanting to be a guest on my channel, and then we will see where we can get you fit in. I am trying to get some of the folks from the different companies that I met over this weekend to come on as a guest as well, and some of them are excited to come on, so we'll just have to see when scheduling works out. So that will be super awesome. So that is for Tuesday. Other than that, I do have a couple more club kits of the month from Spellbinders to do some videos on. We've got the card kit coming up, yay. We also have embossing folder, which I'm probably going to combine the two. And then, as of the 14th, we have our April new releases coming out. So I am going to be sharing with you some fun stuff with that. I have not made any of the stuff yet. That is something I have to work on. And then on Saturday we have our card class for the month. So if you have not signed up, I know I mentioned it earlier, be sure to go ahead and sign up and do it live. That's going to be the most fun way to do it. And of course, you will still have access to the replay ongoing, but it's exclusive just for the folks that are signing up for the class, okay? So that is going to be on the 16th, and then to be able to sign up for that, check out this link right here. It's edu.debbiejscraftingcorner.com. If you have any kind of questions or concerns or want to ask me anything about class related things, my email for that specific site is edu@debbiejscraftingcorner. So go ahead and do that, and I hope to see you guys on Saturday. In the meantime, I'm planning that tomorrow there's going to be some more mini live streams with some more demos and such over at Creativation, and then Tuesday night you will see me again. Probably see a little bit of my face, but probably not. But you will see me and Crystal and Val's on Tuesday night for our weekly live stream, and then I can try to catch my breath and get my taxes done. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Again, thank you for showing up for all of my lives, and for the folks that are doing the replay, be sure to check out all of those too to see some of the new fun things that the different companies are coming out with, and wish me luck that I can get some of those guys in touch with you through my live streams. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can plan it, you can too. Have a wonderful day.